Good morning, student. Dear student, in the previous class we have solved linear equation of the exercise 8a. Now in this class we will discuss the application of the linear equation and we solve the exercise 8b. Right? So let us we start the exercise 8b in which we use the linear equation. That is the application of linear equation. So there are first question is given in the 8b, that is two numbers are in the ratio. There are two numbers that are in the ratio 8:3. If the sum of number is 143, if the sum of the number is 143, find the number. That is question number 1. Let the first you given that, write the given which is given ratio of two numbers, that is 8:3. 8:3. Let the number be 8x and 3x. When you find out the ratio of the 8x and 3x, you know how you find the ratio. To find out the ratio, we will write them in the form of the fraction. That is ratio 8x upon 3x. Then x will be cancelled. Then ratio will be 8:3. Okay. Now the sum of number that is 8x plus 3x is equal to 143. It is given. So this is the equations are prepared. Now we solve this equation. To solve this equation, that is, these are the like terms, so we will add, that is 11x is equal to 143. This implies x is equal to 143 whole upon 11. When we solve it, you divide it. 11 1 is 11, 11 3 is 33. X is equal to 30. Hence, the number be 8x and 3x. 8x, that is 8 into 30. 8 3 is 24, 8 1 is 8, 104, and 3x, that is 3 into 30, that is 9, 3, and their sum be 143. You can check what is the sum of these two numbers is 143. When you find out the ratio of these two numbers, that is 104 and 39. It is cancelled by 13. All of both are the divisible by 13. So we will divide by 13. That is 3. 8 upon 3. So your answer is right. You note it. Hence, the number will 8x, that is 8 into 30, that is 104, and 3x, that is 3 into 13, that is 'okay? Okay, now we come on the next question. The next question is here is given as question number 2. In the question number 2, there are given that 2 upon 3 of a number is 20 less than the original number. 2 upon 3 of a number is 20 less than the original number. Let the number be x, then 2 upon 3 of number, what will be that? If the number is x, then 2 upon 3 of the number is, that is 2 upon 3 of x. This is equal to 2x upon 3. Now it is given that this number is 20 less than the original number. This number is 20 less than the original number. So when it will be equal to the original number, when we add it in the 20. So then 2x upon 3 is equal to x minus 20. X upon 3 is equal to x minus 20. That's clear? When we solve it, here the denominator is 3, so we multiply by 3 in all terms of the given equation. This implies 2x is equal to 3x minus 60 multiplied by 3. This implies 2x minus 3x, that is equal to minus 60. This implies minus x is equal to minus 16. This implies x is equal to 60. Hence, the number be 60. Now you can check 2 upon 3 of 60. 2 upon 3 of 60, that is 40, and 40 is 20 less than 60. So your answer is right. Okay, you note it. Now we come on the question number 3. In the question number 3, 4/5 of a number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. 4/5 of a number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. 2/3 of the number. That is question number 3. Let the number be x, then 4/5 of the number that is 4/5 of x, which is equal to 4x/5, and 2/3 and 2/3 of the number that is 2/3 of x. It is 2x/3. Now it is given as 2/3 of the number, 4/5 of the number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. 4/5 of the number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. According to question, 4/5, that is 4x/5 is 10 more than, is 10. It is the more than 2/3. 2x/3, which is more? It is more. How many? That is 10. How much? That is 10. So if we subtract 10 from it, that will be equal, or if we add that 10, that will be equal. So it will be equal when we write here the plus 10. Now it is your equation. Now we solve the equation. Here the denominator is 5 and 3. So we multiply, that is 15 into 4x/5 is equal to 15 into 2x/3 plus 15 into 10. Here multiplying by 15. That is 5 3 are 15, 3 5 are 15, LCM of 3 and 5. Now that is equal to 3 4 are 12x, 10x plus 150. Now when we transfer it, it will give 12x minus 10x, that is 150. When we solve it, that is to the 2x is equal to 150, then the x is equal to 75. Hence, the number will be 75. Right? You can check the answer. If you check the answer, the 4/5 of the 75, that is 60, and 2/3 of the 75, that is 50. Now 60 is 10 more than the 50. Okay, you note it. Okay, now we come on the next question, that is will be question number 4. In the question number 4, 24 is divided into 2 parts such that 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part make 146. Here is given that 24 is divided into 2 parts such that 24 is divided into 2 parts such that 7 times of the first part, if you let the first part be x. Now 24 is, who will divide it in 2 parts? 24. Then if the first part is x, then second part that is 24 minus x. It will be, okay, if the total is 24, if the first is x, then second will be 24 minus x. You can take it. If the total is 10, if the first is 3, then second will be 10 minus 3, that is 7. So that's why we will find the 24 minus x. Now here is given as a condition such that 7 times of the first part, 7 times of the first part, that is 7x, and 5 times of the second part, that is 524 minus x. Now, when you added it, added to 5 times of the second part make 5. Added, that is 7x plus 5 into 24 minus x, it makes 146. Okay, now you solve 7x plus minus 5x is equal to 146. This implies for the 7x minus 5x, that is 2x equal to 146 minus 120. This implies 2x is equal to 26. This implies x is equal to 30. So, hence 13 and second part be 24 minus 13, that is 1 1 11. Now you can check 7 times of the first part. 13 so in the 91 and 5 55. 91 and 55 6 1 4 6. Okay, that's clear. So you note it. Okay. Now come on the next question. The next question that is given that find the number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part diminished by 5. Whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to fourth part diminished by 5. Find the number. Let the number be x. Now the fifth part of the number that is x upon 5. Again, fourth part of the number that is x upon 4. It is given as, then fifth part is increased by 5, that is x upon 5 increased by 5, that means plus 5 will be equal to fourth part decreased by 5. This is your equation. It is given as fifth part increased by 5 and fourth part decreased by 5 will be equal. Now we solve it. Here the denominator part 5 and 4, so we multiply by 20 in all terms of the given equation, that is 20 into x upon 5 plus 20 into 5 plus equal to 20 into x upon 4 minus 20 into 5. We write multiplying by 20 LCM of 4 and 5. Okay. Now you solve. Here 4, sorry. That is 5. Now 4x plus 100 5x minus 100 4x minus 5x is equal to minus 100 that will be minus x is equal to minus 200, then x is equal to 200. Hence, number B 200. Now, fifth part of the 200, that is 40, fifth part of 200, that is 40, and fourth part of 200, that is 50. Now, when increase it by 40 plus 5 is equal to 50 minus 50. Both are equal. So, your answer is right. Note it. Okay. Now we come on the next question. Three numbers are in the ratio 4, 5, 6. If the sum of the largest and the smallest equal to the sum of the third and 55, then the three number is given. Let the number be f. Sorry. Let the ratio is given. Now, ratio of the number is 4 ratio 5 ratio 6. Now let the number be 4x, 5x and 6x. Here is given the sum of the largest and smallest. Sum of largest and smallest, that is 4x plus 6x, which is equal to 10x, is equal to the, then 10x is equal to the 5x plus 55. According to question, 10x is equal to the 5x plus 55. Sum of the largest and smallest equal to the sum of the third and 15th. That is third, 6x. Then you can write sum of the third and 55, that is 6x plus 55. Third, here meaning of the third, that is this 5x. Okay, now we solve it. 10x minus 5x is equal to 55. Then x is 5x is equal to 55 This implies x is equal to 55 upon 5, that is x is equal to 11. And the number b 4x, that is 4 into 11, that is 44. 5x, 5 into 11, that is 55. 6x, that is 6 into 11, that is 66. Sum of these two, that is 150 and 110, and 55 plus 55, that is also 110. So your answer is right. You note it. Okay students, in the today's class we had solved at the question number 8 from the exercise A, B. Rest of the question we will solve in your next class. Okay, thank you, good day.